Okay, so here's day 2 of us going to check on the birds, and we're gonna go see how they're doing. We got 30 new chickens. We got 30 new chicks if you didn't see the video that we got them. We'll put an iCard down to that video. Here, they're in here. I can hear them. Hey, girls.
How are they?
They look good.
Hey.
Do you want to hold it?
You guys are bigger already.
I want to hold one of you guys.
Looking good. They seem to be a lot warm. They're not all huddled together.
Yeah, it's cold out too. So.
I want to hold you.
Hold him tight so he doesn't fall. Yeah. Hi there, fella.
They're so cute.
Sounding really gentle.
Should we shut the door? We already shut the door. They're all eating. What have they eating? Hey, Daddy, they're all eating.
That's good.
Oh, one's on top. Hey, you guys are so cute. Yes, you are. Oh. I'll sit on the little pail that I brought over. They're sleepy, it looks like.
Yeah, looks like they're doing good.
Yeah.
They ate some food. There's some food gone.
Yeah, did they eat any water or drink any?
Well, the water's down over there a little bit. Not in this container. Doesn't look like it's down much here, but that one over there is down some.
Yeah.
So. No, I'd say we're doing good on day number 2.
Okay, so we're going to check on the birds. Today is day 3. And see how much they've grown since day 1. We've had them for 3 days now. See how much they've grown. Let's go fast. Let's go in here. What, Bubba, are you okay?
Yep.
Okay, Daddy heard a crack in the track.
I wonder if they'll start with their wing feathers yet.
They're so quiet. Oh, they're all cold.
Hi, girls. And boys, how are you doing? Oh, you've eaten a lot of food.
Yes, you guys have. Look how much food they've eaten. Look how much food they ate.
Hi.
It's all the way down there. Hi, girls. Can I pick one up?
Oh, this one in here started to get some wing feathers. Oh, yeah. See them growing out on the side. Yeah. Hi. Where did you grow that? Do you want some help so I can reach for you?
Yeah. You should.
There you go.
I don't have her. Got her.
Got her? Hold up my hand.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of holding her little legs up under so they don't fall. Pretty cute. I don't have her yet. There we go. There you go, baby. There you go. Oh, you just sat right there on my hand. That was cute. Oh, you're all snuggled in. Still doing good.
Is that one okay?
Drinking lots of water. Yep, that one was sleeping before. She has her head curled right under her. All comfy. Well, there's day 3.
There's day 3.
They're looking good and eating and drinking.
So
Stay tuned for day 4.
Stay tuned. So, Daddy. Oh, jeez. Okay. So, I think today's day 4. And we just got a lot of snow. Got a lot of snow, like a foot of snow out here. And we need to go check on the little baby birdsies. It's so deep.
We got a lot of snow.
I know, we got so much snow. I don't know how much we got, but we got a lot, like a foot.
Can you take this food with you in your other hand?
Take it to the birds.
Yeah, that's the baby for the baby. Baby bird food.
Okay. Come on. We gotta make it. We can make it too. Like, look at the picnic table. It's just snow. Let's keep going. How are we gonna open this? Oh, it's gee. Sorry guys, I need to look, it's frozen. How are we gonna get it undone? We need help. Okay. See, we need to get in there. You can kind of see them. But let's keep going. We made it, girls. Boys. I think I see one. I think I see 2 dead.
Oh, 3.
3.
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
This? Yeah. Try not to show them too.
So yeah. That doesn't
4.
work. 4. 4. 1, 2, 3.
3?
Where's the other one? I only see 3.
Okay, 3.
Yikes.
Yikes, lost 3. Not good. I'll put some food in here. Some more food. They were good for food, but...
Now how many does that make us have?
Well, we lost 2 last night. Look over here.
Yeah.
See over here? We lost 2 little birds last night.
Lost 2 little birdies last night.
So
Can
we
we turn the
lost...
light on?
I just
So we
did,
can-
but it didn't come on.
Oh. What's the problem?
It's odd. Oh, that's not good.
3 or...
This guy's gonna be...
He's gonna be beat, but he's not beat yet.
He's not beat yet, but he's gonna be.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's 5. So we're down to 25 little birds.
Poor little birds.
And it happens. Little baby birds sometimes die.
Yeah, but once they get older, it doesn't happen as often, right?
Right. Once you get them through the first week,
They should.
they usually stay good. But
Yeah.
I don't know. We've got a couple more that look.
Question markable.
This guy right here looks like a question mark.
Mm-hmm. Are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? I don't think so. I think he's gonna be on.
Wow, that's 5 gone. That's not good.
Uh-oh.
Oh well, that's what happens sometimes.
Yep.
Everybody else is okay. We got food. We got water.
Look how much they've drank on this water. It's almost
That
empty.
water's down. Let's do this, Elliot. Let's switch, or not switch, but let's bring this water over.
So they get to eat some of that.
Well, just so that they make sure it's over there and they haven't been drinking out of it. Let me slide over.
Yeah, because it used to be where this little circle is.
I'll fill
And
this.
they weren't adventuring over to there yet. And now we moved it over there, so it's better.
I'll fill this one up. There. Yeah, okay. Well, this wasn't a great morning.
Well, there's day 4, I guess. Okay. So now we're gonna go check on the chickens day 5. Today's day 5, right?
Today's day 5, yep.
Yeah, I thought so. We got a lot of snow. Got more packy though. Right, Daddy?
Feels like it's got a little puff on it. Might have got a little rain.
Yeah. Might have got a little sprinkle. You go check on the big birds, I'll go check on the little birds. Let's go. Surprising how much snow we have and it's spring.
Leave that door open when you open it so there's more light.
Okay. Yeah, they're my gloves. I left them in here. You want to take my gloves? I don't see any more ones that are dead.
Anybody else? Not good? No, everybody looks happy there. Alright. No, that's good. We got no casualties this morning. So we lost 6 so far.
Yeah, we're down to 24.
So we started with 30, we're down to 24, but that's sometimes the way it goes. A little extra food there. We'll just tip these feeders up so they can reach it good.
They must need more food. They're drinking a lot of water too.
Yes, they are drinking a lot of water. We'll fill up those water containers today.
See? Drinking a lot of water. Oh, what are you guys doing?
Running around. Look how big they're growing already. This is only day 5 and they're at least double the size when we got them.
Yeah. Well, there's day 5. So here's day 6, is it?
Day 6.
Day 6. It's a sunny day today. I wonder how the babies are liking this sunny day. Well, I guess I can't really tell if it's sunny or not, because they're in that little cage, eh?
Yeah.
Soon enough, we'll let them go outside and have the extra space, right, Daddy?
Soon.
Yeah,
3
soon
weeks.
enough.
About 3 weeks. We got them.
Yeah. Look, we got a little rain, I think, and now you can just walk right on the crust. Almost. Or it just got colder. So, let's go. I wonder if we lost any more birds. I hope not. Hello? Chickies? I think we might have lost one.
Yep, I'd say you're right. Oh no, well, no, he's just sleeping. Look.
Oh yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, look, he's just sleeping. Look,
He's just sleeping.
let's see.
No, he's
Yeah,
just sleeping.
no, he's sleeping. Okay, good.
Okay, good. We didn't lose any more.
I thought we lost another one, but you're right. Oh my goodness. Look, their food dishes are
Holy
almost...
moly, look how much food they ate.
And this is dry. This water is dry.
And this one's about halfway.
Well, I filled that last night, so we'll take that water.
We need to get these foods.
Let's do this.
Look how much is left just at the bottom.
Let's take this and put it in here. So they have, it's one full anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, they're growing their wing feathers.
Yeah, show them up close. They're good. Feathers coming in.
Yeah. And they're getting bigger. They're like 3 times the size of when we got them.
Yeah, they're growing fast.
Yeah,
Even
that
on
one
day-
might be a question mark though.
Yeah. He seems to be okay.
Yeah, he
He's
doesn't
not-
seem to want to move that much though.
No, he's not moving around too much, but that's okay.
The girls have exploded over where that little board is.
Yeah.
They're like, ooh, what's this place?
All right.
Oh, I guess there's day 6.
Today's day 6. So we'll go to day 7. Do you want to go check and see if there's any eggs?
Sure. Bunny, don't come in here. You know what you want. You want to eat the little baby birds, don't you? Yeah, let's go check for eggs. you girls. You guys are bigger than the small ones and more interested, I think.
Any eggs?
Yeah. I see some eggs. So goes. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 6 eggs.
6 eggs?
Can you take them in?
I'm putting them in my pocket.
Okay. So here's I think it's day 7. So I think that means it's the end of the first week of our little baby birds. And from last time, it seems like there was a lot of them. Like they've tripled their size since we first got them. So yeah, look at all this water. We just lost all of our snow that we had, and we had like a foot of it. So we have all the snow now. Hope this cord's okay to keep the heat lamps going. I hope the cord stays okay.
Yeah, I taped the end of it. Should be okay.
Okay. Today's day 7, right? The last day of day week.
1 week.
1 week. Let's see how big they are. Did we come in at napping time?
I think we came out during nap time, yeah.
Look at how big their wing feathers are. Oh, if I can get them. Look how big their wing feathers are. Look how big their wing feathers are getting. Did we lose any more?
Nope.
That's good.
Not that I see.
What? Okay, I guess that happened. Okay, let's go check for eggs. With the big birds and see if they laid any more. We got 8 eggs. We got 9 eggs, but one of them had no shell. It was just a yolk. So we need to go see if she just laid. Maybe the girl just laid the yolk and now she's just gonna lay an egg. Shell. Yeah.
That'd be uncomfortable.
Yeah. Any eggs? Comment down below if you see any eggs. No?
No?
Guess not. Well, there's the end of week number 1.